Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to auto sell using Trojan bot Solana. So first of all, go to this website, right? Trojan.app here. Now go and click on launch Telegram bot. Now you will be here. Now click on just go and click on send message, right? So once you do this, you will start by joining the bot here. Now you can find the invite link and various tutorial as well as I can show you here how you can get it by yourself. Now once you are here, just go and click on start on the top right and you will get this option here. Now you can just buy, sell, right? You can do whatever you want by using this. Now if you want to set up your auto sell here, now first of all you have to deposit funds. Ensure you have funds in your bot wallet. Transfer Solana, from your Phantom wallet to the Trojan bot wallet to begin trading. Now once you do this, right, and here you will get this option to open your position. Before setting up an auto sell order, you need to have a position open in the bot. For instance, if you purchase a token for like euro 24, navigate to the sell interface here. Right now once you do this, click on the sell button for your token here. Now let's say I will just go and click on sell button here. You can see you need to deposit at least one SQL. So here this is click to copy. Now once we copy, then I will able to deposit it up, right? Now enter the trigger price or percentage change for the sell. For example, if you want to sell what the price double, set it to 100%. This means if your token price reaches twice its current value, it will automatically sell. Choose how many token you want to sell. Once the trigger price is hit, you can sell 100% of your token or specify a different percentage. Adjust the slippage setting. Example, set it to 10% to avoid being sandwiched by other traders. Now this is how you can do it. You can also set expiry for orders. You can also set expiry for orders, determining how long it remain active before it become automatically cancelled, right? Then you can also create an order. After reviewing all settings, click on create an order here, right? Once you do this, your limit order will be now be active and you can view it later by typing start, just like here what I did, right? And thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.